Hello, my name is Julio Cabrera. I'm a Cantinero. For me, being a Cantinero is my passion. It's my life. It's much more than making a cocktail. It's to keep the vibe, to keep the atmosphere and the ambience in a bar, to be part of the show as a entertainer, how to deal with customers and how to make them happy. Be open to learn something new every day. Learn new every day. Anyone can teach you something. It's always time to learn something new. And today we want to be talking about the Cantineros culture, the mentors I have during my career, Cuban classic cocktails, my achievement, Café La Trova, the future Cantineros, and so many more things.